background, Rick Otto. Welcome to another episode of District 76 Police. Today we're gonna go on a dangerous ride along here as we go and tackle down these criminals who are using the new drug called Yessi. There has been a spike of drug use here at District 76.
We suspect that the funny man is the main person behind all the drug use and distribution.
That's why we need young citizens like you to join District 76. These officers right here have already joined the fight against the loyalists. Join now for a better tomorrow. So right now we're just waiting for a call here.
Attention all available units, we have a suspect hanging out the north perimeter of District 76. Witnesses said they saw him digging up drugs. Please respond, 2 units, please be advised.
Copy that, dispatch. Rolling code 3.
Criminal, drop the weapon. Criminal, drop the weapon now.
Excuse me, sir. We got a call here about a criminal hanging out, possibly hiding drugs.
What are you talking about?
Can I see some ID, sir?
No, you can't, actually.
Well, we
Can't
just
see any ID, man. I'm out here working for the city. Can I help you?
yeah. Control. We have a non-cooperative male. Might have to make a felony arrest here. Are you associated with the funny man loyalist in any way? The funny man loyalist.
What are you talking about?
You want to show him a picture of the wanted poster, sir?
That's a stuffed animal, bro. Are you serious?
Look, bro. Are you serious right now?
That's a stuffed animal, sir. You're losing it.
This control. We have a non-cooperative male. We're gonna go ahead and make an arrest, sir. This is your last chance right now. Okay? If you don't cooperate and you don't show me your ID and tell me what you're doing here, we're gonna make it an arrest.
And I don't know where the stuffed animal is either.
Go ahead and arrest him. Make an arrest.
Sir, that was your last chance.
You're under arrest, sir. For this. Watch out! Go! Drop! Control, we gotta do this. Drop it! Drop it! Get the gun. Go. Get the gun. Control, I'm gonna need EMT. I'm gonna need EMS. We're gonna need fire. Wake up. Nick! Lieutenant Wilson. Lieutenant Wilson, let's go.
What?
Come on. Criminals on the run. Go, 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 go! Criminals running eastbound. North, he's dropping tools. Drop the weapon out. Heading north. Stop! Stop where you're at now! Stop or open fire!
Attention all available units, there is 2 officers north of District 76 in pursuit of a suspect with a weapon. Please provide assistance.
Stop! Call ambulance. Suspect down. Move! Still breathing. Don't move!
Don't move.
Hands behind your back!
Don't move. You move, you will be shot again.
So this is a well-known drug route. We're gonna go ahead and stop any suspicious vehicle in hopes of picking up the funny man. Wait, look at that.
Oh crap. Charles 76, Charles
wow.
76.
Wow. Light him up.
I've located the pill-shaped yellow
Light him up.
man.
Go, 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 go.
Charles 23 on proximity traffic.
Criminal, pull over!
Within emergency copy on the 2735 in progress. 1750 Auburn Boulevard, apartments of space 36 and 2C. It's an M&M trailer park. Complaint said that her husband broke her arm. The line disconnected. 2735 in progress, 2C.
Pull up, pull up, pull up. Let's see your hands. Hands.
Thanks, get out of the car now. Get
Get
out.
out.
No.
Get on the car. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Taser, taser, taser. Get him. He's resisting. Get him. Taser him. Stop resisting, funny man. under arrest for the murder of the junkyard boy. We're heading over to one of the jailhouse right now. Control, we have one en route right now, being very combative. Settle down back there. Shut your mouth. Just one yellow pill shaped man. Just be advised. Freaking chickens.
Get him out of there. Get him out.
Shut your damn mouth.
You got him cuffed?
Yeah, he's cuffed.
Okay, he's cuffed.
All right, keep the taser on him.
Got him.
Keep the taser on him.
I got you
Please,
covered.
Can I get out, please? I need water.
Shut your mouth.
Water. I'm not
Shut up. You get out tomorrow.
Please, I need some water, please.
Get your ass in there.
Please,
Shut your mouth.
please.
Let's get out of here.
All right, man. You ready for coffee?
Let's go, man.
All right,
I could
let's
use a donut.
Dude, I need that thing. That apple fritter is
Oh
nice.
man, yeah, the glazed one.
Nah.
Oh no, that's my favorite.
You're messed up on the glaze. Apple fritter is where it's at.
I could go for a 12-pack right now.
Or you know, since we just caught the funny man in celebration, let's get a Simpsons donut.
Go.